absolute honor and privilege that I get to thank our respected Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Rajiv Reddy, sir. And the first event that we had of Asia's biggest Navratri event was in 2016. Of course, Country Club has been having events with all the top cricketers, all the top Bollywood artists, and they all have been a part of the Country Club family. So it's a great honor for me to be a part of this wondrous, the most wondrous feeling of being associated with Country Club, and more than that, being inspired by our visionary leader and our man, Mr. Rajiv Reddy, sir. So, sir, thank you for giving us this opportunity of actually going live, where we reached at every doorstep through yoga, where we said that immunity is very important. We have to work on the immunity. We had special sessions on diabetes, high blood pressure, and several special sessions pertaining to everyone who really needs yoga, because we all need yoga. Yoga is actually a way of life. Right from how to take your knee troubles away, to stress away, to internal mental peace. It was all done by that, and that inspired us to once again be virtual for the great Asia's biggest Navratri Utsav. Though I told sir that sir, it's going to be world's biggest Navratri Utsav, because we had 200,000 people who joined us at the same time. And we had more than 1,000 comments where people are commenting from every part of the world, just talking about the benefits they gained only because of Country Club. So Country Club as a brand has gone because of the virtual feeling of the launch. Today we are here at the grand unveiling of Vajram, and I'm truly delighted to be here all the way from Mumbai city, because Country Club is absolutely outstanding, simply because on this wondrous occasion of Navratri, we are here at the grand unveiling of Vajram, which is our new project at Bangalore. And I'm going to take this initiative of inviting all of you to be a part of Country Club, and of course the grand unveiling of the VIP car with some special amenities for special people. And of course, we are here to announce about the grand celebration of Navratri. We're going virtual with Asia's biggest Navratri Utsav 2020. So see you all soon. Country Club rocks.